throwing for Loras.
Yeah, very good defending there by Jennings. He just really held up Rasmussen, didn't have many ideas what to do with the ball. And as it Bonillo came back to...
It's Calvert, number 8.
Took that slip, came back to help get back in position.
Now another chance here for McAllister. Johnson setting up the cross. Rasmussen there, Wickman down header. Goal for McAllister! Murphy-Logue with the diving header at the far post. Knocks it in behind Wickman. And that is your first goal of the game, and a great header from Murphy-Logue. Friday, thanks.